Welcome to HaveFunLetsTravel. I'm Jeremy. I've got a question for you. Did you know that Silver Dollar City was built around the site of an existing tourist attraction? It sure was. Let me explain. Marvel Cave was a very early tourist attraction and part of an old mining town. This beautiful limestone cavern is situated right beneath Silver Dollar City, and most people walk right past the entrance without even having a clue that it's there. The cave has been attracting tourists since the late 1880s, long before Silver Dollar City was ever established in 1960. It's one of Missouri's deepest caverns and has the largest cave entry room in the United States, and it's known as the Cathedral Room. According to newspaper clippings, it was originally named Beaver Cave, but in 1884, investors visited the cave, purchased the land, and renamed it to Marble Cave because it was mistakenly thought to be full of marble. After realizing this wasn't marble, it was mined for bat guano, which was used as fertilizer. In 1890, the guano deposits were depleted and the town was abandoned. Then 2 years later, the deserted town was destroyed by fire. By 1902, the cave had been renamed Marble Cave, and on May 1st, 1960, the Hershen family held the grand opening of Silver Dollar City with Marble Cave as its biggest attraction. Through passageways and stairs, you can descend more than 500 feet below the surface and enjoy a free guided tour. The tour's dramatic lighting, narrow passageways, and tram ride that brings you back to the surface all contribute to the feeling of mystery and adventure. And on the hottest days of the summer, this tour is a great way to be entertained while cooling off due to the average temperature in the cave only being 60 degrees. Be sure to check out the description for a printable tip sheet to bring with you to the park so you don't forget any of these time and money saving tips. A simple thumbs up goes a long way, so if you thought this video was helpful, be sure to hit the like button before you go. It truly does make a difference. Silver Dollar City has some amazing festivals and special events each year, and we'll take a look at these in the video shown here. Thanks for watching. Tell your friends.